Hello, in front of me I've got PlayStation 5 Slim. In this video I'll show you how to find free-to-play games. Firstly, make sure that you're logged to your account on PlayStation Store and go to PS Store from the homepage. Now you can go to latest collections, deals, subscriptions or browse. Here you've got the list of all games. Go to sort and filter, enter price and select free. Here is the list of all free games available on the console. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.